Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna share an interview experience of ZOHO. It is a very good company and one of the best startup company. So in today's video, I'm gonna share how the interviews rounds happens. Before interview, what are the rounds happen, and after the interview, what are the things happens in a ZOHO. Also, I'm gonna share interview questions with you guys and coding questions so that you can get idea about the level of difficulty of ZOHO interview. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. Basically in ZOHO there are 5 rounds. The first round is online test, the second round is programming, third round is the advanced level of programming, fourth one is technical interview, and the last round is HR interview. So let's see each and every round one by one. So yeah, the first round is online test. The online test basically consists of 60 minutes. There are approx 25 questions asked in online test, and all the questions are based on quant, reasoning, and predict the output type of questions. There are no any reasoning question in a GEO. They only test your capability of thinking and all. So you know about quant, you know about reasoning. For the improvement of quant and reasoning, you can follow R.S. Agrawal book, and in predict the output question they basically give some code snippets and you have to predict the output. There are no MCQs type of you don't have any options of the predict the output. You have fill in the balance and you have to write the output of that question. No any like tick mark and all. So it is kind of tricky, but yeah, you have to do that. And most of the questions are predict the output questions. So let's go to the second round. So the second round is programming, where the round consists for 100 minutes. There are various questions asked in the programming, but most of the time they ask only 3 questions, and you have to solve these 3 questions in the time period of 100 minutes. So there is a mandatory one, like you have to solve approx 2.5 questions to qualify for the next round, because there are a high number of candidates are there, and the question are not, I would say, on the hard level. They ask in a medium level type of question. Let's see some of the example. The first one is given a string with number and operators. Perform the operation on number in their respective order. Okay, you have a string और स्ट्रिंग में नंबर्स हैं, ऑपरेटर्स हैं, और बेस्ड ऑन नंबर एंड ऑपरेटर्स कुछ ऑपरेशंस भी दिए रहेंगे. यू गॉट टू हैव सम ऑपरेशंस एंड उस ऑपरेशन को यू हैव टू सॉल्व इन द रेस्पेक्टिव ऑर्डर. If you want detailed explanation of this question, I will share that also. You can comment in the comment section box. The second question is program to check whether the given matrix is an upper triangular or a lower triangular. Like this question we used to solve in class 11 and 12, mathematic type of question, but we have to apply this mathematic question in the coding term, and for that you can use any programming language. It is kind of tricky question. You have to apply your mathematics over here to solve this. Again, if you want a detailed solution of this, you can comment in the comment section box. And the third question is find the longest increasing subsequence in an array. एक array दिया है, उसके अंदर longest increasing subsequence आपको निकालना है. इसके बहुत सारे varieties आते हैं, और अगर आप सारे varieties को solve करोगे तो ये kind of easy होता है. So this is one of the variety of subsequence type of question. It is easy question. ये easy question है. I don't think so कि इसके लिए अलग से वीडियो बनाना पड़ेगा. बाकी if you want a video on above 2 question, you can comment. So this is all about the programming round. So let's go to the next round. Next round is an advanced programming round, in which you don't have a programming type of questions. Like, there is a programming question, but not type of programming. Like, you have, in this you have a certain statement, and based on the statement you have to create a data structure on that using predefined data structures, and then you have to solve the question. So basically they ask only one question in that, and the time for that question is 2 hours. Let's see one of the example. Given family and extended family information, एक information दिया है जिसमें family और extended family का information है, like your family or like relation of your mother, relation of your father. This is like extended family. I was asked to construct a family tree from that information and need to find a list of eligible person one can marry. So basically family information दिया है, और उस family information से आपको एक family tree बनाना है, और family tree बनाने के बाद आपको उस list को find out करना है जिससे एक इंसान किसी अदर से मैरी कर पाएगा. ठीक है. अगेन उसके कुछ केसेस दिए हुए हैं. फॉर अ मेल अ मैच विल बी हिज फादर्स सिस्टर्स डॉटर. एक मेल के लिए उसका मैच क्या होगा? फादर सिस्टर्स डॉटर और हिज मदर्स ब्रदर डॉटर. ठीक है, ये मैच हो सकता है. ये कुछ केसेस हैं, इनका यूज करना है आपको. फॉर अ फीमेल अ मैच विल बी हर फादर सिस्टर सन और हर मदर्स ब्रदर सन. ठीक है, अगेन ये भी सेकेंड टेस्ट केस है. और नेम्स आर यूनिक. ठीक है, नेम्स वगैरह यूनिक होंगे. तो इस क्वेश्चन बेसिकली आपको कोड लिखने के बाद एक नेम पास करना होगा, और वो नेम किस किस नेम के साथ मैरी कर सकता है वो सारे आपको आउटपुट में दिखाने होंगे. सो अगेन इफ यू वांट अ डिटेल्ड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन आई कैन मेक दैट आल्सो. So let's go to the next round. So yeah, the next round is technical interview and it lasts for 1 hour. So basically they start with your introduction, otherwise they directly jump into your projects, or based on your project they will not going to ask about your project, they are going to ask what are the difficulties you have faced creation of your project. Again they will ask some question on DSA, so you have to be ready for that. And also they are going to give some a small tricky question based on DSA. And last they are going to ask coding questions which are previously asked in the previous rounds. Like what they can do is they can first tell you to tell your coding question in your previous rounds, and after the explanation they will ask you to optimize that coding question, optimize the answer of that coding question. So optimization is really important, and also they will going to give you some hint, so it is not kind of tricky one. So let's go to the last round. The last round is HR round. Again, HR round is not going to be technical for you guys. Most of the time they will check your family background, they will check your hobbies, like apart from studies and all, what you do in your life. Again they will ask some challenges you have faced during your creation of project, and again they will ask some question based on the ZOHO itself, like whether you know about ZOHO or not. So these are the questions they will ask. And one of the most famous question, why should we hire you? They will also going to ask this type of question, not this question, this type of question. So yeah, that's all for the ZOHO interview experience. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. So yeah, that's all for this video guys. I'm wrapping this video over here, signing off.